Good morning, dear colleagues, and a very warm welcome to our this week's blog. This is Patrick Dittli from Metro, and I have the pleasure to be with two very valuable members from my side, Ian Perotto and Carla Dainese. Good morning.
Good morning.
This week's blog is about the ultimate goal, what we want to achieve in supply chain. It is about availability. Availability, because we realized what we measure in the form of availability is not always aligned with the perceived availability from our customers. Having said that, we spent quite a bit of time into looking into the details. Why is that so? And by not only looking into those areas, what we can improve from our side, we also have reached out upstream to our suppliers, to our partners in a proactive way to see how we can better work together from this angle. Having said that, Ian, you spent quite a bit of time on it. Can you please explain us a bit what we have been working on with you and your team as such?
We have been working a lot on the collaboration with the supplier, where collaboration stands to a jointly effort and joint work to achieve a common target. In this case, is availability, and finding out that if the availability is not there, is a common effort, Metro and our big partner, to recover it. Progress has been significantly done with the most important partner, based on what? On three topics mainly. One is the trust in the relationship. The second is the common target to improve the performance, and the third is the performance as such, related to the availability. Now you might ask how we did that.
Yes.
The how is mainly related to a tool that we develop together with Metro System. The name is Collaboration Portal, and is the interface that we deal with the supplier to recover the performance. Carla can tell us more about the portal.
Yeah, I will.
Let's look into it.
Yeah, sure. So as Ian said, the idea of collaboration or the ultimate collaboration would be to share data with our suppliers, enable us to build a tight relationship with them. And for this, we have built a tool where we are able to share almost in a real time, so in a daily basis, all the details regarding orders placed towards our suppliers, and at the same time the goods received by us. So the perception of the goods received on our warehouses or on our stores. With these, suppliers are able to access the tool, and at the same time provide their feedback about why these orders didn't perform as we expected. And this is exactly this.
No, I hold it for you.
Okay, good, perfect. And this is exactly the tool that you have visualized in the screen some seconds ago. Here, what you can see, it's details about order that didn't perform as expected. And additionally, by accessing this tool, suppliers are giving us a concrete feedback and root causes why it didn't perform, and they are able to understand their performance or the perception of their performance that we have. On top of that, it's not only this, but suppliers are also able to have a complete overview about how this performance is developing, the improvements we can face, the additional details like most underperforming articles for us, and the main part that I would say is the root causes. So because this would be the fact-based part where we can jointly plan actions to overcome these issues, and with our final target that will be to improve availability to our customers. This is a sort of report that the tool can provide. The tool, just to complete and tell you where we are and which stage we are, the tool is implemented already for 4 pilot countries, 4 big countries, Germany, Russia, Belgium, and France. We are on the second stage now, where we are providing the tool as well to China and Turkey, so additional big countries in the Metro community. And I think the most important part is that we have already in these 4 pilot countries big suppliers onboarded on the tool, and the feedback is quite positive. I would say that the news are being spread around within suppliers and within the country. So.
And even, if I may, even more important, country colleagues save a lot of time versus the past to align the data with the suppliers. So not only the tool is effective and align the priority and the performance recovery, but allow the country colleagues to save time in doing this exercise, building even more trust with our global partner. Correct?
Correct.
Fantastic. Well then, we wanted to share today with you what we do about improving our availability. That is not a huge step every week, but step by step for every article, for every supplier, and at the end of the day, that makes a difference as well. So having said that, that's it for this week. Thanks so much, Carla. Thanks
you.
so much, Ian, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.